We want to make sure
through entertainment.
There you go. That's what it's all about.
We're here for you.
That's all about. Now, I don't know if you've come across online DJ AG.
Oh yeah.
And the sensation that he's created.
Amazing.
By creating a platform, especially for artists to to just express themselves and showcase to the world,
And sound system culture, bringing that sound system culture across the world in different locations and different sites and bringing people together in community.
Now, you see what's happening? Like the people that you can't get to go anywhere unless you like show up with like a $250,000 US. They're showing up.
They're coming because you've built the platform.
Built the platform, and Burna Boy,
Ciara
in the streets. Ciara, I mean,
countless others.
Just like who doesn't know? Everybody has caught on. They figured out, and AG is the place to be. So wherever he's at, artists are finding their way to the platform. Folks, if you're not familiar, let's put you in, because you must be,
under a rock.
You're not from the rock. You're under the rock. But let's put them on, Lady Lalapella. Let's fill them in.
So DJ AJ Online has been embracing his Jamaican culture. He uses his platform to promote up-and-coming artists. He's known for his unique ability to fuse authentic music with spontaneous street performances. And DJ AG Online has quickly become a cultural phenomenon. It all started in 2024 when DJ AJ decided his real name was actually Ashley Gordon, didn't know, began attracting a widespread attention across the UK with his open format DJ sets staged in public spaces. My mission is very clear, he said with conviction. It's all about community and bringing our people together by interaction and with music. And that's saying a lot in the day of social media.
Yes.
When everybody's stuck to their screen, it makes you want to get out and be in the streets and feel the music.
Yes. Get out, be in the streets so you can be online.
It's like the mirror within the mirror.
It's right. There you go.
But at least the reflection is looking better, though.
I agree. Now, AG initially wanted to highlight his DJ skills when he started DJing live from the streets. However, the approach swift thanks to a conversation that he had with a good friend, Christopher Cargill, who encouraged him to use the platform to spotlight and encourage artists. Despite initial doubts, he embraced the suggestion, and that decision would ultimately redefine his platform. His first prominent artist was Daddy Freddy in Brixton.